know, like Apple keyboards? Did you ever?
Okay, dude, get out of here. No.
No, you know that's what.
Don't do this, dude. That's
what they feel like, kind of.
No, they don't, dude.
To me, they feel like it.
There's actually distance to travel. Those are just like. Alright, so what's going on, guys? My name's CG Build, and welcome back to another video. Alright, so today we have another keyboard build. I mean, what's new? CG Build, keyboard builds. Today we're going to be looking at the Akko ACR Pro 68. Now, it's like a 65%, but it's a little bit longer because it has this cool little gold piece on it, and it's like clustered 4 keys right here. Looks pretty cool. So Akko has been working with me since I had like 2K subs. So like I love making videos with Akko. The guy that I talked to on Akko, he's so cool. He's nice. He's always keep me up to date and everything. It's really cool. So yeah, I have a link for all this stuff I'm going to talk about in the description, even the mouse pad and stuff if you like this. Kinetic Labs, clouds. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on with the keyboard build. Alright, so when you get the box, it's just like the other ACR Pros and all that stuff. You get a nice looking colored box. This is gasket mounted, by the way, as you can tell from the little sticker, little gold sticker at the bottom. You open it up and bam, you have the keyboard. It comes with another plate, and then inside the box it comes with a whole bunch of different stuff. You have enough keycaps to make a whole full-size keyboard, which is insane for the value you're paying for this. It comes in at $116, which is pretty insane. Like I already said, you get another plate, which is polycarbonate, which whew, that's big value for this. Not only do you get a full set of keycaps, plus the keyboard looks really good, then you also get another plate to go along with to just mix up the whole feel and sound of the keyboard. For $116 too, that's pretty good value if you ask me. I love it whenever manufacturers bring out like other plates with the board. I don't know, it's so nice that they do this. Inside you actually get some extra gaskets, plus a little, what is it called, the USB-C thing. You get an extra one of these to make sure, because in case it breaks or whatever, you get another one, so that's always great. You also get some extra feet, which the feet, by the way, I put them on just for the, dude, this is insane. I don't know who's using their keyboard like this, because like, that's like insane angle. Like, dude, that's at least 2 inches, dude. That's insane off the, I mean, I'm down. I mean, I like it. It actually, it's kind of comfortable, to be honest. It ain't bad. I kind of like typing like this. I don't know if you could do it for gaming, though. I mean, I guess you could. Now, enough about that. Let's talk about the actual keyboard itself. When you first open it up and you look at it, it looks so clean. Dude, I love this, like frost white acrylic look. To me, I'm always been a big fan of these keyboards. That's just my preference. If you don't like them, all good. And as you can tell on the right-hand side, you see it has a little gold, little fake magnet thing, which looks really cool. Now this is magnet based, so you can swap out something, put a magnet behind it, and then put it in there the same size. That would be cool. This is gasket mounted, by the way, and it uses their silicone gaskets, which aren't the best in my opinion, just because, I mean, there is a little bit of flex to it, but like for the most part, they're not the best. I like the PE foam or whatever. I forgot exactly what material is made of. But the other foam stuff, I like those better. But the gasket ones are perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with them. They do the job of making it sound really good. Flex, on the other hand, not a lot. Now, another great thing about this keyboard is they also support screw-in stabs. So you can get some screw-in stabs, put them in here, be great. That's amazing that they offer this, because I know a lot of people really like their screw-ins. Moving along to the keycaps. The keycaps are their ASA black on white keycaps, which do look really good. But you can always get some other keycaps from them, or just any cherry profile keycaps like I have here, and you can just swap them out. Now keep in mind, these are a north facing switches, so if you use cherry keycaps, you could have some interference, which these, I don't have any interference, which keep that in mind. Everything's different. All around, dude, this thing looks insane. I think it looks so good. I don't know what else. Not even the keycaps alone, just the case itself looks so good. Like, see on the back, the ACR Pro 68 looks really clean. Got the rubber feet, the gold screws in the back, which I really like. Now we're going to open this thing up and take a look at what's inside. First, you unscrew the screws, which are really easy. Just get the hex thing and just go, or you can use another screwdriver or whatever you have. So looking inside, you have a lot of stuff in here actually. You have some EVA case foam, which is really cool. You have a silicone pad for like a PE foam mod. That's cool. They did this on the PC75 Plus as well. So, and that sounded really good. So that's really good that they're implementing that in more boards. Moving on to the switches, these are the Akko crystal switches, which I don't think they actually sell on like their switch tab, but they do offer it with these boards. And I think they sound pretty good. How I would compare them to is like Jaywick Blacks. Not as good as them, but they sound really similar. Like here's some right here. They sound kind of thin, more clacky, you know what I mean? But I would say the Jaywick Blacks normally, like they do sound better. So, I mean, the crystal switches are pretty nice. They're not my favorite. I really like heavier switches, and these are not heavy. They're really light, but it is what it is. I know everyone's different. Just because I like something doesn't mean you will like it. For me, with these switches, it kind of sounds thin, and I'll get to that sound test, but like, it almost sounds like it's really thin. You know what I mean? I don't know how else to explain it. But yeah, that's the whole thing, in and out. That's pretty much it. Now, because of all the stuff that comes in it, there's not a lot to mod. Now, I could tape mod this or put some, what's it called? Put my CG mod in it, but it doesn't really have that hollow sound. It might have it on the mic, but it doesn't have it in person. Like, it's very stiff already. Like, it sounds pretty standard. Sounds pretty good. Now, I could have taped this whole thing, but it does come with some of that silicone at the bottom. So, I mean, there's not a lot that you could do to this to make it better in mod. Like, now you definitely could have, and it would make it sound better, but because I'm going for more of that clacky sound, I didn't want to tape mod it. Because once you tape mod something, it usually makes it more thawk. But all in all, man, this thing looks insane stock. It sounds good. The profile definitely makes it sound better, in my opinion. Now, as for the keycaps I'm going to be using, I'm going to be honest, I don't know if they're replica. I'm assuming they are because no way they look this good. But I mean, they're like that light blue with the darkish teal going around it with the white keycaps. I think it looks really good. Once again, it could be, I can't find the actual set, but I know there's probably one out there and this is a replica, so just keep that in mind. But they do sound really good. They feel really good. There are a little bit of, on the novelties, inconsistent looking, maybe a little bit. They're like kind of faded a little bit, but all in all, they look good, and they're pretty cheap too. So, but yeah, this is the full thing build together, and it looks pretty good. These keycaps look really sick on this board. You have that gold little piece that, once again, is just like a magnet. You can change it out whenever you want, and I think that would be really cool. I think it turned out great. It looks super clean. Jordan, come here. Come on, be on camera. Okay. See.
Hello.
You ready? This is the mic, so you gotta kind of talk loud. No, you don't have to be like that. Just like you can be there. Just talk a little bit louder. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So here's my girlfriend. They can't see you. She really likes this keyboard because of colors. She didn't really care about what it sounds like.
Did you see these ones? These ones in the corner? They're cute.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Now she thinks she's a keyboard YouTuber.
I can do it better than him. Do you hear this? ASMR.
It's really gonna be hard for them to hear it though. But then once you pick it up, it makes it not authentic, you know?
This is stupid. Maybe I'm not the best. I do like it though. I mean, this is probably one of my more favorite, like, keyboards he's done.
It sounds bad though. In my opinion, I don't like it.
I don't think it sounds bad. I mean,
sounds
to me,
thin. Give me some thawk.
I mean, that sounds.
Yeah, because it's a whole different switch.
Oh.
It's a husky switch because I had the crystal ones in that they did with it. It was terrible, dude. I could not get it to work. So I did swap switches.
Well, I mean, okay.
Sorry.
You know, like Apple keyboards? Did you ever?
Okay, just get out of here. No.
No, you know, that's what
Don't do this, dude. That's
what they feel like, kind of.
No, they don't, dude.
To me, they feel like it.
There's actually distance to travel. Those are just like... Alright, so now the only thing left to do is the sound test, so here's that. No. I think it looks really good. I think the colors for the keycaps look really good. The case itself looks really good. Everything about this thing, and the fact that I didn't do any mods to it and it still sounds this good, I think it's insane. It's not my favorite sounding. Come here. Let's show you on camera. Come here. Oh, big dog. Big boy. Camera shy? He just went on a walk, so he's very tired. Name is Brax, named off of the CSGO Pro, now Valorant Pro.
Oh my god, seriously? That's where his name came from? Oh my god.
Pretty much. I loved that name, man.
Scooby would have been such a better name.
He's not Scooby. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I had a lot of fun doing this. It didn't take me long because it's no mods and it was really good stock, so that's great. But yeah, I don't know. It's decent. It's a good keyboard. Go check it out down in the description. I get nothing from it, but you can go look at it. Let me know if you liked the video and if you would buy this thing or not. And yeah, I think that's the end of the video. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. And yeah.